Hello guys, welcome to Little Lamb Nappies channel on YouTube. Today we want to talk about using cloth nappies in nursery or with your caregiver. First of all, don't forget to subscribe our channel or give us a like if you enjoyed this video, and also leave our comments on any topics that you'd like us to cover in here. So, first week back to school. How excited it is that? We know how hard it can be for kids and for parents, mostly if you're changing the routine, sending your baby away, the baby's on cloth nappies, the new carer is not used to it, or maybe they are staying with grandparents or with the nursery and it's all new. So we want to give you a quick help with that, with a few tips, and hopefully make your life easier. First of all, let me tell you a little bit about my experience. When Alice went to nursery, she was the first baby on cloth nappies on that nursery. And their reaction was a bit of pushback, saying they had limited staff, lots of babies, and the nappy change time would need to be something quick and easy. We all know that people can get scared about when you talk about cloth nappies, and everyone thinks that is way more difficult than what it is in reality. So what you want to do with even the caregiver or the nursery is to explain to them in a very simple way. All they have to do is change your baby nappy, remove the reusable nappy, put it in the wet bag, and then put a new reusable nappy on your baby. So it's going to be exactly the same as it was with the disposable one. The difference is you're going to take care of any dirty or wet wipes when it comes home. All that you need to take to your nursery or your caregiver. First of all, the nappy. Keep your nappies ready. Take to nursery or to your caregiver all the nappies that you think your baby's going to use during the day. Our suggestion is count one nappy for every 2 hours and then add one. So imagine that your baby is 4 hours in nursery or 4 hours with the caregiver. I would send 2 nappies, one for each 2 hours and an extra one for accidents. Second thing, some bamboo liners. So with this, even if they got scared about poop, you can explain to them, like you bin the disposable nappy, all you have to do is take out the liner and bin it if it's dirty or wet. Please remember, don't flush the disposable liners, okay? Finally, a very important piece, a double zip wet bag. So this is how it's gonna work. You can send all your reusable nappies in the outside pocket, okay? So in this case, your baby goes to nursery 4 hours, you take 3 nappies, you put them in here, right? And you can tell them, whenever you change a nappy, just put the big dirty nappy in the big bag. So basically, you're gonna have the clean ones outside and the dirty ones inside. If there's any left when you get back home, you just put this one ready to be washed, and you have still a clean one that might be used that night or the same day, or just send it back to nursery in the next day. The thing that is very important with this is that they will know that they just need to change the nappy, put the dirty nappy here, take the new one from outside and put it in there on your baby. They cannot even say, you know, this is going to take more time than a disposable change, because it won't. So, nappies are sorted to go to the caregiver or to nursery. What are other tips that you can make their life easier? Because they do have lots of kids and they are really busy. So, change nappies time needs to be fast and easy. 1. Remember to use really simple and loose clothes. For example, we don't use baby suits for nursery because they need to, you know, plug the poppets in the back, and it can get wet and it's a bit messy. So t-shirt and, you know, joggers, it's perfect, or sweatshirt and joggers, it's perfect. Whatever it's easier for them to take it out, change the nappy, put it back on. Also, don't forget you want to avoid leaks while in nursery, right? So make sure you put your nappy super strong in terms of absorbency, and you don't use tight clothes. So, you know, with the pressure from the clothes to the nappy can make the nappy leak. And we never know how long they take between they change nappies to our babies in nursery or caregivers. So just account for that in case. I really hope this is helpful. Please let me know all about your experience with sending colored nappies to nursery. You're gonna be surprised about their response, because for my experience, the conversation started with, no, we don't have any baby colored nappies, that's super complicated, we won't do that. And it changed after 2 sentences to, all right, let's give it a try. And that's all you want. So my suggestion is, don't be scared, just explain it as it is, make it simple, and let me know how your experience was. Good luck!